What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and I just walked outside this morning and saw that it rained a lot. Yeah, I've had some questions on my Truxedo Pro here, Truxedo Pro. I'm sorry, my Truxedo Pro X-15 and how that holds up in the rain. So I have not opened the tailgate yet, but when I walked out and saw it rain, I'm like, oh, let me go ahead and film this and show you guys how this holds up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the tailgate, and as you can see, it's a lot of rain there. It's puddled up there. Normally when I start driving, this right here will, it'll make its way off the top there, but we'll show you here if it leaks inside or not. And so I got some stuff in here, and as you can see, this is my gym bag here, and then this is a Jeep top that I'm taking to sell to somebody. But it looks like a little water there at the beginning, but nothing else in here is wet. I keep my briefcase in here too, and so as you can see, nothing else in there is wet. There's no more water in there. So, yeah, sorry this is messy in here, but I'm just being real with you. This is how it looks right now at the moment. But as you can see, there's a little bit of water on the side. Now this may have happened when I opened the top, but that's about it. Yeah. So that's it though, no more water. So I'm gonna close this on up. So hopefully this helps you guys if you're thinking about purchasing the Truxedo Pro X-15. And again, I just want to show you how it is when it rains. Give you this little update. And this is B-Rob. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell after you subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.